channel, guys. Today we are going to design a simple bracket in this SolidWorks, so we can understand how to do the design work in SolidWorks. By now I am creating one simple bracket in SolidWorks. I think this will help for you to learn design. Okay, let us start. Now I am drawing one triangle, sorry, rectangle. Now I am assigning smart dimensions. You can see. Yes, our rectangle is completed. Now I am going to extrude this rectangle. So our extruded length is 20 millimeters. Okay, now you can see the rectangle was extruded. Now create one face on this rectangle. Now again I want to cut this one. So I want to cut this one. To cut, very simple, I am using one rectangle. You can see it. Now again I am assigning smart dimensions. This length is 55, and up to here it is, how much it is, 27, guys. Now this length is 8. Yes, we can extrude, sorry, not extrude, we will use extrude cut. Here we can get an option through all. You can cut until up to this. Here another option is also there, through all, both means it will cut in both directions. Okay, now this is up to next, it will cut up to the next surface. Okay, like this. Here we have so many options. You can use blind also, like we can get a meter like 60. We can assign dimensions like 60, 70, like that. For this case I am using through all, so later we will see more features. Yes, it is cutted. Okay, now we are, what we need to do is we need to add bracket face. Okay, so for that what I want to take is, I want to take one reference plane. Okay, this is my reference plane. How much reference I need to take means, it is approximately 42, but in opposite direction. Okay, this is flip offset, means you can move back and front. Okay, this is flip offset, I am taking in opposite direction. Okay, now select this plane, right click on it and select it, and it will show. To avoid this kind of problems, click Ctrl and space. So now you can rotate the geometry and keep the view like how you want. Okay, you can see it. Okay, now hide the plane. I am hiding it. Okay, now it is more perfect, I think, right? Okay, what we can do is, now we need to create bracket face. Okay, yeah, for that I need to draw one circle, two circles, and I want to have seen smart dimension also. 21, 28 plus 28. Okay, now we need to keep this circle at center. Now I am showing you one trick, guys. See properly, take the point. If you want any center location on any surface like rectangle, circle, or anywhere, you can drag, you can keep the cursor on this line, so you can see the exact center. Now keep the point here. Okay, now it was already took the smart dimension, it already assigned the dimension, right? Now you can give horizontal vertical relation. Okay, it took one, not vertical, sorry. Now you can give horizontal relation, like, right? Now it is, now it fixed, you can see it was fixed. Okay, now we need to assign the circle value. Okay, First what we can do is take the smart dimension. This is 40, this is 20. At previously we used the control and space by changing the that by changing the view, that's why it didn't take horizontal, sorry, vertical, that's why it happened, otherwise it is vertical only. Okay, we can check like that. Okay, now what I am doing is, see properly guys, keep the cursor from here and now drag, you can see a point. Okay, like that you can drag the cursor, you can see a middle point here, like that you can do. These all are very shortcuts to make a CAD model. Okay, this makes your work very efficient. Yes, perfect. Now what we can do is, now we need to extrude this. Okay, how much we need to extrude? This is 14. 1 minute. Go to extrude base, reverse direction. Okay, 14 guys. Okay, now I am selecting this one, 14, and click OK. Okay, now again go to the sketch, select the sketch, go to extrude base, take the reverse direction, take the reverse direction. Okay, 20. I want to extrude this circle up to 20, so I am using this one. So completed. Oh guys, I made one mistake, sorry. Select the sketch, I extruded it in wrong direction, I think, right? Take offset, take offset. Okay, offset of 6. Okay, yes, 6, reverse direction, now 20. Okay, select the contour. Okay, yes, perfect. Now you can click the tick symbol. Yes, it already taken. Okay, in this module I will show you some another amazing features also guys. Now again select this plane. Okay, you don't do anything, just I think I need to make some changes in the design, I think, right? No, it is perfect only, it is perfect. Yes, it is completely perfect, I think. No, let me check, I need to make some uh, things in design, I think I like to make some, think I made a problem. Cut this one, and yeah, I need to give horizontal relation basically. Take tangent relation, here also remove this one. Take, go and take tangent relation, now it is more perfect. Yes, it is very perfect. mm, no, I think something went wrong, let me check. Let us take this one, perimeter circle. No, not this one, not this one. Go to arc, center arc, you can take this from, yes, perfect. You can add this one. Yes, now it is perfectly all right. Yes, now it is perfect, right? Yes, it is more perfect. Like the tricks, there are so many tricks are there, we need to learn eventually. Okay, now don't do any extra, just uh, put your finger on control and just select these edges and use convert entities. Okay, it will convert it. Okay, don't take any extra stress. Okay, now what you can do is just go to the extrude, reverse direction, use 14. Okay, okay, then click this one, it is already generated, right? Now what you can do is select this face and convert entities. Perfect, right? I will tell you in our upcoming videos how to do like this kind of small things. I will definitely tell you. You can don't worry, okay? Or I forgot it to add cut man. Then again go to convert entities, go to extrude cut through all. For this time I will use up to the, for this time I will use through all both, okay? Yes, it came very perfectly, right? Now I want to give you a very interesting feature for you, that is the rib feature, okay? We can learn that feature right now, okay? Go to reference plane, go with plane, select this edge and this edge. Now you can see the plane will came between these two faces, okay? Like this we can take the plane between two faces, okay? Now select the sketch. Again it gone mess, right? Now what you can do is you can simply do like this, okay? Yeah, you can do like this, or else you can do flip the plane. No man, it again went messy, right? Okay, this is perfect. Yes, it is completely perfect, completely all right. Now take the line and join up to this point, okay? Okay, now again take the line and join like this, okay? No, don't need to take this one, we will add it later, okay? It is completed, right? Yes, it is completed. Yes, it is completed. Here some sitting arrangement problem is there, that's why I am not able to sit comfortably. I think this is not disturbing you. Okay, now we want to see another feature, rib feature, okay? Yes, rib feature. You can see this rib feature, okay? Now I take a line and it is taking the rib. How much length I want? 10 meters, right? You need to keep it downward direction, flip side material, okay? You can see the thickness, you can adjust the thickness at middle, at right side, at left side. I am middle. Now I am selecting the equidistance, okay? Yes, it came, right? It came very perfectly, right? Like that we can do, okay? Now again we can go to the plane 2, okay? Again take the plane 2. Now what we can do is draw one line, okay? Draw one line, okay? No need to define it this time, okay? You don't, oh, it already defined. That's very good. Again I am going to the rib feature. Now flip offside, click the button. Yes, it already taken, right? You can see a beautiful bracket was ready. Now what I want to do is I want to keep holes, okay? I want to keep the holes, right? Yes, I want to keep some holes. What we can do is we can select this side and take a circle. Alright, this circle is coming, right? I want to change this one. Take this circle, okay, and do like this. Hmm? Again I want to keep one hole here, one circle here, okay? Now what you can do is this circle horizontal, okay? Now this circle horizontal, okay? Now they will lie in same line, okay? This circle and this circle vertical, okay? Now this circle and this circle vertical, okay? These mates are basically very important in CAD drawings, okay? You need to learn this one, okay? Because these relations are extremely important for your design, whether you are belong to aeronautical, mechanical, or any other related field, marine, automobile, whatever it may be. These things are very important for you, okay? So learn these things properly, okay? Hmm? Now I am assigning dimensions. 4 whole cities, how much? It is 12, right? I think this is not 34. Sorry, this is not 34. It is only 28. 28. Sorry, this is 34 only. Yes. Now what you can do is select this one, this one, this one, this one, and equal. Right now these all are equal. Okay. Basically now what distance we want is, we want this distance, then only it might be 1 minute. It is 14, right? Now what we want is, we want this distance, right? We want this distance, right? Okay, I will assign this distance also. Okay, go to smart dimensions. Go to smart dimensions. Yes, perfect. 20. Okay, now what we can do, guys, go to features, use extrude cut through all both, cut it. Our beautiful CAD model is ready. This is a mechanical bracket basically, where we can use in machinery components, engineering applications. Now control 7, you can see the isometric view. I think it is not came very perfect, no problem. We can add color also, right? Yeah, we will add color also for this certain video. You can comment what is your favorite color. My favorite color is very weird. I thought that, yeah, this is, it is perfect, I think, right? Let me change the color. uh, you can follow our channel, guys. We are uploading very nice content regarding the CAD modeling. So many things we are uploading, right? You can follow our channel, like it is very useful for you when you are, in engineering, aeronautical, for aeronautical, mechanical and electrical, these domains, analysis and designing and coding, these three are like a soul. You can never skip these things. You cannot skip these things, okay? Throughout the body, it is also perfect, I think. Yeah, I think this color is perfect. Okay, guys, thank you for watching my video. uh, I will meet you again in another video. Okay, thank you, bye.